acid with metals. Take a test tube and pour the hydrochloric acid in it and add few pieces of magnesium granules. Then close the mouth of test tube with a rubber cap and take the delivery tube and put it in a soapy water. Here you can observe that the bubbles are forming due to this reaction, and we can see this. The burning candle is put off with a pop sound due to this gas. So we can say that this is a hydrogen gas. Conclusion of this activity. In this activity, we take metal and acid. These both react and form a gas, that is hydrogen gas. So we can say that if we take any metal and any gas, any acid, they forms hydrogen gas. And this activity tells that it is also release heat.
Ah